This came in today. So it is the Maker Couture. And it's an adjustable razor. The unboxing of this. I bought the chrome finish. Oh, look at that, right on top of the cap. They have their logo. How freaking cool is that? I wonder if that's a new design. Let me know in the comments below. So this is an adjustable razor. Looks like it's 1 through 6. Haven't shaved with this yet. Looking forward to it. To give you kind of a size comparison here with it, this is a Maker 34C HD. This is a Gillette Fat Boy 1960s. And then this is the Rockwell 6C. So you can see how long it is. Much longer than the Maker 34C, obviously. That's a small razor. So I'll set these out of the way here and put it next to the Rockwell 6C. Yeah, it's definitely longer. Yeah, definitely longer. The weight of it, definitely heavier. And I will weigh it here in a second, but I wanted to do that comparison. I bought the chrome finish. It comes in a matte finish and a gold finish. I kind of like to mix and match my razors. I mean, the Maker 34C, you know what I mean? I wanted it to stand out in my shave collection. Take the cap off. I believe you just take off one of the sides. Pulls right off. So let me load a blade in that. It doesn't click like a Gillette Fat Boy. That's different. So if I adjust it now, we're on 1 to 6. Yeah, there is no blade exposure here. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's really easy to adjust. I can't wait to put this up against the Rockwell 6C, which is my all-time favorite blade. I just think that's going to be awesome. Wow, that's pretty neat. Look at the channeling in between here compared to the Maker 34C. Wow, you know what I mean? Now, that's a pretty big head. Really big compared to this little guy. Push up on the sides. It does have 2 posts. You know, the interlock in here. What a different kind of setup. Here's 2 more prongs sticking out. The posts go in here. Oh, that's German engineering for sure. I'm digging it. I think it looks great. I can't wait to put it up against the some other razors that I like that are adjustables. And for me, I'm leaning more towards adjustable razors because what I'm finding is I have a lot of DE blades, and if they don't work on one setting, I can bump them up. Look how nicely a feather blade goes in there. Very easy. Top cap just slides right on. Well, I can't wait to shave with it. What a gorgeous piece of German engineering. A lot of the subscribers have, been wanting me to try this out. Had a company approach me to give this a try. I did have to pay for it. But man, I got a huge discount on it. I think I paid $35 for this, and you know, on Amazon I think it was going for $80. I'll have to check that out for sure. But yeah, what a nice razor. For a comparison, turn this on. Got the scale out. We're gonna see, you know, how heavy this guy is. 129 grams. Man, that's some heft. Compared to the Rockwell 6C, that's 100 grams. And then the Merkur 34C, 77. Gillette Fat Boy, 79. I mean, this thing is, wow, it's heavy. And it's the balancing point, I think it's right here in the middle. So yeah, what a great looking razor. I mean, I can see the German engineering in it. I like the huge canals here. I think you're going to be able to take off a lot of growth. Now, see where the blade stops and this cap is? That's going to be different. Yeah, cutting in lines might be difficult on that. I'm going to do a shave with it, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. But wow, what a great looking razor.